Want to control whether your voice recording can be used to improve ChatGPT? Here's how to enable or disable this option on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name to open the settings. Scroll down and select data controls. Scroll down. You must turn on improve the model for everyone first. And then on include your audio recording, the switch until blue to enable or the switch until green to disable. This option allow your voice recordings to be used to help improve ChatGPT. However, this option only become available if improve the model for everyone is enabled. If that setting is turned off, the include your audio recording toggle will be inactive. Once enabled, you can turn this option on or off depending on your preference. And that's how to enable or disable include your audio recording in ChatGPT on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.